Hi guys, welcome to my unboxing video of Leema Acoustics Tucana Mark II amplifier. This is a dual mono design amplifier, meaning that it is completely both channels on this, right channel and left channel, are completely independent of each other. So here you go. It's a heavy one. It weighs about 18 kilogram. We've got the mains lead and remote control with the instruction manual. Some paperwork from the dealer. It is well packaged for amp of that price range. Nice and simple. It's well packaged, well secured, and yeah, it looks already looking good. It's heavy, 18 kilogram of it. Let's move that box away. Here we are. Let's put them back safely. There's a heavyweight stuff, and just by looking at it, you know that it is built for serious stuff. It's the high end of hi-fi product. Absolutely beautiful. There. I mean, those heat sinks just tell the story, don't they? I mean, you know, it's just it's one of the best example of one of the best example of putting a preamp and power amp together in a box with maximum disintegration possible, and it's got two independent power supply for 2 channels, and it's got a third power supply for the preamp section. And it's got I think it's 150 watts at 8 ohms, and it gives around about 250 watts at 4 ohms. We've got here we've got the main power lead and the instruction manual and the remote control. It's a big improvement over their Mark I version. Mark I version remote control was rather flimsy and plasticky and didn't reflect the price tag, whereas this, even though it's plasticky, but it's still a better looking than the last one. This unit, this amp, integrated amp, retails at 3,600 UK pounds. So it's made for heavyweight hi-fi listening, if you know what I mean. You've got the you've got the input selector here, the main power button here, and the main volume. It's very well built. It's bomb-proof, to be honest. Well, it looks bomb-proof. And I shall hook it up in a while, and we'll do a close-up of that. We'll do a close-up of the front fascia. I'm very excited. It's an X demonstration unit that I've bought. It's not brand new, and I paid a good price for it. It wasn't a good deal. And we'll do a close-up of the side heat sinks and the back panel. We've got the speakers terminal separated; they're not close to each other. And then you've got all the balanced XLR connection, and then you've got all the RCA input here. So there you go. It's a Leema acoustic Tucana 2 amplifier, made in our very own Wales. Thank you very much for watching.